Alright guys.
We're matching.
Kinda don't. Good morning guys. You see us? We are here very excited because demolition has started guys. Yesterday was day 1 of demolition and we are going to throw to the footage.
Yeah, we can
throw to the footage and then start there and then we come back and pick up back right today, where we are today. Day 2.
Exciting things happening today.
A beer sitting going. People, a bag of thing going yesterday. Good, bad and ugly.
Oh, I just remembered.
Yeah. Alright, so watch this. Alright guys, so the moment we have all been waiting for is beginning right now. Demolition of our room to start the renovation and the construction. We're going to start it phase by phase. I'm so excited about this. I feel like DIY now for going to come out and do some real hard work. You see me? See the door gone already, TV out.
Oh guys, so much going on already and I hear banging and all kind of things. So I know Wayne is in there kind of catching a vibe of what's happening, so I'm gonna go join him and see what's happening. About 8 years ago, Andrew's team laid the tiles in this room for me because it used to be a carpet. And another funny story is that these tiles are actually from Active as well, so we go way back. Yeah, all of this is getting dug up though. Everything is moving, every door. We're even knocking on walls.
Tyrone can open.
Doctor is major.
When it cut by?
She said them working a normal work. Judge, I wonder if it's bigger than DIY. I wonder if it's bigger than DIY because right now there's some sugar and water going on right now. Because all this blood. But it just goes to show you when them work you do. Any card can play. It's never a straight line to the finish line.
Hold it. Don't take it off.
I see them love laugh after when I put on my gears and get myself together. The work can be dangerous work. So I have to gloves up and do my thing. As you can see, any car can play. There when they have to work, you know. Do the dirt, you see me? Do the dirt, you see me?
No job too big, no job too small for the handyman. He will appear soon as you call. He's the handyman. No job too big, no job too small for the handyman. Thank you.
Anybody know the channel and go say, a years me away plan to do this. Yeah. Years before I mash up the first room and start fresh. Out with the old, in with the new. That is how we do.
Hello. Yeah,
There we then no joke thing. Junior, when you say I'm a beat and fire gash, you know. You know, say power and the strength back at that, you know. Until normal.
I think it boy if you beat I'm like fire gash. You have his strength and the power for do all of that.
Alright, no.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, they are in there for the work, man. You see me? Yeah, man, it feel good for just done with that old bathroom there. Same so, you see the bathroom when we buy the house so much years ago, we just never get to it. As you can see, we're fixing up, we're taking our time, do it face by face, and we wait until last. You know them say about what you say for last, right? Alright. Hi. Watch her look. She look me up and down.
You wonder why daddy dressed like that? Sorry, no.
Daddy are working on my Z. Hey Ivy.
Say hi, Dada. Ta.
Hey Ivy.
You look cute like what?
Tight touch, yeah, man.
You want to take off your shoes? Let me sell these good toes. What a cheese! What a cheese! Not nicer than look at hard cheesy toes. Don't it? Heaven knows.
You help them snatch the towels?
Yes, bro.
I wanted to help. Wait, why are the towels gone? What? Yeah. Oh! I thought bathroom break. We're not doing even construction in here. The bathroom is gone. That's like broken. Look.
We're about to do some big work, bro.
Is it gonna be loud?
Some days.
No?
Not today.
No, leaving now?
Yeah, we're done for today.
Destruction. Oh wait, destruction.
No sun, no bottom. Please.
Enough space once everything
Lick down.
yeah.
Oh, look at the walls over here. Where's the TV?
Everything move, bro.
Look at work? Wait, why the voice changing?
You hear echo?
Yeah.
Look how we move all this stuff. So the sound is bouncing around the room.
Is this what it sounded like?
Oh!
Sounded like that?
Oh!
Where are you guys gonna sleep? Oh my gosh, it echoes. Oh my god.
Crazy, right?
Hello?
Everybody come there, it's
Echoes.
like, yo, it echoes now. But that's a lesson in sound, how sound bounces when you empty a room. Sound just bounces around, there's nothing to trap it. That's the same thing your brothers did, by the way.
Actually?
Yeah. And then I forward with the guilty, I know, say it no normal, I know. Jaja. Pia sitting there now. Alright, so what you know? As we said, day 2, Tami's on the road now. And me there, the man them just a come in now. And the man them a come with the big equipment them. So you know, say some serious work I go on today. You see me? So day 2 of demolition, renovation.
So I am about to go pick up Ivy. Just left home where, you know, they are literally busting through walls. And I am low-key losing it. But I'm also low-key very excited about the progress being made. And the fact that, you know, we're finally doing it, you know, after all these years. we have had that room basically be the same, that room and bathroom be the same, like, you know, for as long as we've been together, which is a long time. And so I'm really excited that, you know, we're getting a remodel finally done. But as I shared with you guys as well, it's also nerve-wracking and very, it's a little stressful. So last night we actually slept in Gio's room, and Gio's room has a queen size bed. And I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a study out there that says that if married couples sleep on a queen size bed, they actually stay married longer. Have you guys ever heard of that? Well, I don't think that married couple had any small children, because 3 o'clock this morning Ozzy did find himself in the middle of the doorway. And those couples who stay married longer, also they both must sleep in one position all night, because after last night, this morning me and Winnie have crick neck, my shoulder seized up, all kind of something reach me. So I'm not sure about that. I can't wait to get back in my king size bed. That's all I'm saying. So I thought that was funny. Anyway, it's about to get really shaky here, so I am going to stop recording, but I'll see you in a few.
Excitement.
The first, this, what you call this? We are a contractor, what you call yourself?
No, I'm a project manager / workman.
Okay, well, I'm doing some shrimp for you for lunch.
Oh gosh, that is it, man.
What kind of project this?
No, man, because I need my energy, you know.
It's a high-end project.
Yeah, man, I need my energy, man. People in my request DIY in action for a good little while, man.
No, guys, we had to go to the hardware yesterday, and you know that Wayne wore his, what that name? Vest. I was so embarrassed. I was like, Wayne, this is a I was like, first of all, this is like not fashionable. Second, hear him now. So we feel like go hardware store. The contractor.
I must contract and work, man. You know,
How you doing today?
Hi, beautiful. Hey, Snoogie, careful. Oh, I love this dress on you. I love this color on you.
Wow.
Yeah.
I didn't get the memo that it was reading week.
I know, yeah.
I don't know what you're supposed to dress up as today.
It's hot day today.
Hot day.
At school today.
You look cute though.
Wait, is tights that?
Yeah, you have to wear tights under your dress when you're a girl.
Exciting.
Hold on, help mommy. Help mommy. Guys, Wayne just said he's tired, and he doesn't know why he's tired.
No, I'm so tired till I meditate, and I remember some gears them I've carried weight.
Oh my God.
Them away, but then have them on where they may take them off, you know.
You mean the one hammer, Wayne? One hammer?
No, man. I have things, man. I have things in there, sir.
Oh no.
I have things, man.
No, sir.
Leave, don't.
Where's the
see
drill?
the secret weapon there.
You know what make you tired? The queen bed.
And the queen bed. Kings and peace. My God. And then that's come up. I mean, as they come up there again.
I tell them,
up, you know?
terrible man. More I sleep myself, yeah. Trust me.
Man.
Rough.
It's like gonna be a rough couple months, but I say it go. The darkest time of night are right before daylight.
That is it.
Well done.
That's right.
Who can do it? Ivy can do it.
Oh, you remember that, Ivy?
Nana, you cut your hair.
Cut me here, my dear child. It's started. Can you imagine?
It suits you.
Nice. I like it.
I want me ear say you cook curry goat.
Curry goat. Can you imagine?
Curry goat in England.
Proper goat, you know.
Them goat they no rank. Them goat they sleep in a AC, Nana. Them goat they no rank like the Rami them at Jamaica.
No, it no rank, but it smell of the house all day.
Proper.
And the poor man will come to fix the shower for about 5 hours. Had to deal with that all day today.
Ratty, they never give him a liquor.
No.
Sorry for you. Sorry for you. Love that.
And he says, so you must know because I critique myself in the work.
Nana, you're looking very nice. Come in, you did go little while and come in. Cause you know your ears ring and you look very well titivated up and put together. Are you go up on the road I know? You're going to the pub? Or you going to the club?
This is how I do every day. Hello?
I love that. Guys, speaking about grandma looking good. My mom went to her friend's 70th party and them catch up on 360 camera. Mommy is very, she's very fashion forward and modern. Yeah, big her up in the comment section. I can show her what she did go on with.
I went a little overboard.
Let's give me a taste of one of them macaroons. It's the first time I'm tasting it and they always get them.
You've never had one? Oh my gosh, it's lovely.
Daddy, can you give me the other piece back?
No, I want back the piece. I'll give you okay. No. You can surely share that with Daddy.
Daddy.
I got different flavors?
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy. So you have like
Daddy.
Strawberry, hazelnut, chocolate, vanilla, pistachios. I don't know. This could be chocolate. I don't know. Anyway, they are different flavors. And the kids love them. They're macaroons. And then I got some eclairs and pastries for me and Momo and you. And I got you Wayne a while ago. Them do no sugar bun. I was like, wait, that's so funny when I hear sugar bun how long. I can't believe you want the one with the raisins.
Raisin bun, raisin bread.
Raisin.
What do you call it?
Look at these guys. Hold on, let me just show you these real quick. Can you see those? So yummy. I'm gonna have an eclair quick.
So poor people are empty.
Yeah, look at this.
I know.
It looks so good.
Yeah,
this is strawberry.
Oh my gosh.
Come in.
Me,
Momo,
and my dad love these so much.
Daddy, look at this.
And I got a hot coffee too. Because what's better with pastry than a hot coffee?
The raisin bun.
Is it good?
This is it. Mad fresh.
You want to pick up Jackson now?
Not yet.
Us?
It's so good.
I'm not giving him one of my macarons. Maybe I'll save a teensy bite for him.
This is nice.
I really want to try a big one.
That's a nice bite. Oh
I don't love the raisins though.
Okay.
Check out that little piece there. I've just bitten to a raisin. I could die.
You can't eat it if you don't like raisins.
Johnny, you love
But the pastry is nice, but the raisin, miss me. What are you? I mean it up. It's like my sweet tooth just turn up today.
Hey.
Don't it?
Something.
My friend, Chrissy, would say to me,
Daddy, here.
This tree is tired.
Coconut. Daddy, it's coconut.
That's not coconut.
Yes, it is.
I think it's pistachio.
No, it's coconut.
Let me taste it again.
No. Daddy, it's for Daddy this time.
Let me taste it again, man.
Daddy, here. It's coconut actually.
I'm good. I've had my sweet
I'm going to try the red one.
No, Daddy, come on. You just eat it, no.
Take this one for Jackson.
No. Okay, give me back. Give me back. Give me back. I'm not saving anything for my brother.
Hold on. What's this flavor again?
Red velvet. Red velvet. It's red velvet.
What is that?
It's red velvet.
Raspberry.
It's raspberry.
Mom, can I want this?
Yes, you didn't get any red ones.
No.
Oh my god, it's so good. Hold on.
Thank you.
No, that's my favorite one.
No cap, this is the perfect thing.
If you're ever gonna buy me macaroons, make sure they're the red ones. When me I grew up though, this is not macaroon. coconut macaroon in a Jamaica is something else.
Yeah, the
Sticky.
coconut on top.
And a little hot coffee. I'm having such a sweet tooth, Wayne. It's like it's not enough. Like I want to eat all of those.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what you always do. You
Hello?
search for the phone.
Hey, my goodie. Is a Zoom link? I must go on. I can't go in on Mega right now.